Hi, I'm Joe. Thanks for joining me on this evening flight over Lower and Midtown Manhattan. We're on the ramp at the downtown Manhattan heliport on South Street in a Dreamfoil Bell 407 in X-Plane 11. And this heliport is on the East River Piers and is home to helicopter flight services and Manhattan helicopters. If you look way out ahead, you can see the Statue of Liberty, and in the foreground you can see one of the Staten Island ferries. We'll be taking off to the south and traveling around the island in a clockwise direction. So, all's clear. Bring in some collective, and here we go. There's the Battery Maritime Building and Whitehall Terminals, with service to Governor's Island and Staten Island. Flying around the southern tip of Manhattan now, there's the Battery Park, and there's a good look at the Castle Clinton National Monument and the Merchant Mariner. Across the river is Jersey City, Liberty Landing Marina, and Colgate Clock. We're going to spiral up and around the new One World Trade Center building, and that's 1,792 feet to the top of the spire on top of the building. See the beautiful detail of these buildings downtown Lower Manhattan. And if you look down at the foot of the new building, you can see the footprint of the original World Trade Center buildings. Heading up the Hudson River now. New Jersey and a beautiful evening sky. And up ahead you see the ventilator shaft Holland Tunnel down below us, right in the middle of it. And beyond that is the Pier 40 ball fields. We have the New York City XP scenery package loaded for this flight. The package includes Jersey City, Newark, and all 5 boroughs of New York. You can see the beautiful detail of all the model buildings and 6,300 custom buildings in this package. We'll fly up to about even with the Empire State Building and then cut across Midtown Manhattan over to the East River. There's Hoboken, New Jersey, and Castle Point and Stevens Institute of Technology. And there's the Empire State Building and the U.S. Postal Service Building down there on the right. about even with the Empire State Building, and there's the Chelsea Piers. So we'll start our turn across Midtown Manhattan. So we're turning east now across Manhattan. The building down there with the brightly lit pink corners is 5 Manhattan West. Ahead on the right, you'll see Pennsylvania Station, the circular building down there. It's not well lit this evening. There it is. And up ahead you see the Empire State Building, 1,454 feet up to the tip of the spire on top of that building. There's the Times Square Tower, and up ahead on the left is the Chrysler Building, 1,046 feet to the top of the spire. Beautifully detailed. And up ahead on the left is the southern tip of Roosevelt Island, and the big rectangular tall building there is the headquarters of the United Nations. Now we're going to turn southeast along the East River, which isn't actually a river at all. It's just the body of water that connects Long Island Sound and New York Harbor. Brooklyn is out ahead on the far side. Consolidated Edison plant there, corporate campus. The bridge that we're coming up to is the Williamsburg Bridge. Beyond the Williamsburg Bridge on the left is the Brooklyn Navy Yard, pretty much straight ahead from here. Look way out ahead, you can see the Verrazano Narrows Bridge out the distance. And there's Lower Manhattan, and you can see the Statue of Liberty way out in the distance. This next bridge we're coming up to is the Manhattan Bridge. And the next bridge is the Brooklyn Bridge on our final approach back to our helipad. You can see Pier 16 and the South Street Seaport Museum and ships there on the right. Out ahead you can see the 3 rows of white lights inside out. Flying over the Wall Street Pier 11, where New York water taxis run out of. that completes our evening tour of Manhattan. Hope you've enjoyed it. And we'll look forward to seeing you on our next tour.